Today I'm going to explain my project I did in software testing in SOAP UI. So this is the project code before we got assigned. So here we got the WSDL. The link is given here itself, and we got the question here. Get and validate the full country info, which is already embedded in the code, and this is the question. And we got to test. These are the tasks we got assigned to create a test suite for our full country info. And the test step with all the listed country names by name and the property transfer and the property transfer for the listed customer. And these are the validations we are going to prove now. And these are the submission instance we got assigned. So let's dive into our project. So this is the file I made here. Named as the class system 2. So we got multiple files in it. And we also by using the initial the W SDL. When we paste it, when we create a new REST project, we need to paste some WSL link. So it already gets the code, the internal code. So for the code, we need to create the test steps in it. So I created a file here, which is named as validate configurator. And by right clicking this, we'll get a options like uh, add step. In that, we're going for the REST request, and we are gonna create new test case by right clicking on this. So after creating the test case, we are gonna uh, after creating the test suite, we are gonna create the different test cases. Just to have a second to clear out no problem. So the first one is of getting the list of country names by name. So this is the code. So by running this, this is the raw code. So we need to get the XML. So this is the XML. You can see here. We're getting output of the every country code or every country name for every country name within the site. This got input in the basic article code as itself. So next step, and in the first step, we got to do some assessment system. So let's check out the assessments here. The first assessment can be checking the SOAP response is valid or not. So by clicking on this next, we are getting multiple options with the assistants. By selecting this each assistant, we can add the assistant to it and we can check the assistant. So the SOAP response here, the SOAP response is very here. And the HTTP transport, obviously we are using the get method here. So we need to give the code as 200. So for by this, we're going to check the given code or the given test case is random. So these are the sequence I'm having in this test case. So let's go for the second one. And the second one is named as the country as the code. So in the second one, when we run it, we're getting output like this. Let's go to the XML as well. So here we have input as India. So I got the country as the code as AN, which is obviously fine. And let's check about the recipes here, what we got added. So the recipes are same in, here as well. So we are picking a separate field, which is valid here. In the second response, we have running HTTP service field as well. Here also we use the get method should output obviously into the one room. So we got the two valid systems here as well. So let's look at the third one, different country info, the two questions. So when we run it, we are getting the input, you can see here, we are giving input the country info code here, real. And we are getting the full country info as well here. Like we're getting capital city, there's the phone code, the content code, everything I put in here. So let's check the system to apply here. The first one is the basic assistant. we'll be able to insert the source code. You can see here we got it as value. Obviously, the again method we use here, obviously the one. The second one, the soap instruments, is it really because the code went run? And the third one will be itself. But in the expert, we are talking about the full content into result. But we are taking the declare, we get the code, and we are taking the string. What are the input, what are the input we are getting the string? Is it efficient or correct or not? So we are checking the output is string or not, and output is matching with the code or not. Using this expert expression. So we are getting this in this time. Next time, no. Here we are checking the capital city. The before line we are checking the code. Here we are checking the capital city. So here also we got the string as a correct answer. And this is the ASP code. So these are the three expert expressions we got validated here. And the response is SLA. As we got input in a file, here you can see here the response SLA SSC. We can be SSC minus. So we already proved it here. The maximum response time is less than 100. So we got validated here as well. So next, let's check the final test case we added in here. The final test case is named as the enzyme control ISO check. And in this, by running this tool, we are getting, we need to check if there is an enzyme control level here. So the output is really not control point by the claim. So here we give a random name as A and U. From here, we are getting output. The ISO result, obviously, we should not get an ISO result because there is no country like here now. So we are checking this output as well. We're getting expressions. The second font is valid because the code is wrong. So obviously the response is valid. We are checking the expert here. The expert we are getting, obviously we know how to declare the expert here. And we are taking the output. The whole content only they have name. Output is matching here. So in this way, we are taking this expert as well. So the property transfer. The property transfer can be done by clicking on this valid quantity data. In this, you can add the add step, and there you can get an option from property transfer. After doing this, it might look like this. The source code, the source or the source file, you can say. Where or the from where which kind of file you need to take the input for property transfer. We're taking the input from the file that this is implementation, which I have already shown here. And we're taking output as a response. We're taking the input from my file is as a response. On the target file, which we are setting this input we are taking from here is content as no code. This is the client name, and we are taking as a request here. So by running this, we are like property transfer is happening here. You can see the output here. The content transfer is happening. The transfer values you can get as a so value is expect value. So in this way, we'll test the code in the software by taking the HCR domain as well value, which is already article 2, which is already we are taking into use. So let's take the pen. So this is the point which I showed you guys in the starting. So we got an objective to do. We got resistance to do. We did everything. The evidence of successful property transfer solution is done. So this is how you run the code. When you click now, you press the code, and you get the input like this, and you create the test cases like this. So this is how you do a project without a sign. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all.